Alright, let's start filling these guys up. I think that will work on the camera right there. Yep. Alright. Start slinging some wax. See if I can pull my chair up here without hitting the camera. Oh, damn it. Kind of knew that was going to happen. Let's see here. There we go. I think that'll work. That'll work. Maybe out a little bit. Just a hair. Right there. Alright. Out. Fucking the camera over. Oh, the hassles of living in a... Alright, let's see here. Lift that up all the way. Got my tools in order. I usually like to keep this thing just burning on low in case I need to heat something up like a spoon or what have you. So, and maybe keep an extra rag ready to go. Stuff that right there. Let's see here. That's exactly where you want it. That's about yay. And go ahead and heat up my spoon. You know what? I'm going to do this standing up. Alright. Funnel's heated. Get the spoon up. Let's see what's going on. Come back, top these little guys off. When I first started doing this, I was really picky. Now it's like, I just smack. I'll show you in the final stages how it all gets smashed down. And when you get going with these, a batch of 100, they go pretty quick. I almost made it through 25 without cleaning the funnel. Almost. That down. I did drop one BB off somewhere. There it is. Yeah. Couple of little stray pellets here and there. Just throw those right back. I think that's about it. Oh, there's one. Yeah, I got a couple of drops of wax. Get those later. But, as you can see, they're already starting to cool. Let me pop this under the fan just for a second, and I'll show you what they'll look like. And that's all it needed was 1 second. And this is what they'll look like. You know, nothing fancy. They come out looking like this. A lot of people, they shoot them as is right there. Me, like I said, I'm going to show you how I roll crimp these things. But that be in another part. These are still hot, even though they're cool on top, they're still pretty hot, which would make it really messy. I usually let them just cool off for the night, and then the next day I roll crimp them. So, and that's where I'll start off on the next part. Right now I got 3 more trays to finish up, and I'm calling it at the night.